Here we are at they're technically the employee elevators, but they really don't care at this point. They're Haughton. And one elevator is broken. You can see it sitting there. Oh, we're going somewhere. Fifth floor. It might just be parking, honestly. Are you going down? First floor?
Mm-hmm. Right?
Uh-huh.
What?
I said no swimming. I was gonna say what you had.
We better not be swimming in this motherfucker.
This the first floor.
Have a nice day, guys.
All right, thank you.
If it ever opens.
Thank you.
13's level. These all used to be floors that served, but not anymore. We're gonna go up to 7. And the indicator is original. Down arrow is burnt out. Let's see here. I don't believe there's an inspection certificate, but all right, we're gonna go back down to 1. There's your panel. Honestly, these are pretty neat. Still have a lot of originality to them. If you look in there, there's the freighter. It's back. It's in the dark there.